History has been made. It is official. The beginning of a new era of Samsung and Android dominance is official. Yes, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is generating significant excitement, and for good reason. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chip is a beast of a processor, offering 44% faster CPU, 40% faster GPU, 45% faster NPU, 40% power efficiency. This is a significant upgrade from the previous generation, and the Elite moniker is well-deserved. The performance is on par with PC-level processing, making it an ideal choice for gaming and other demanding tasks. The GPU performance is particularly impressive, with the ability to run console-level games like Assassin's Creed. This, combined with the rounded edges and design changes, makes the S25 Ultra a console gaming beast. Additionally, the AI capabilities are getting a significant boost, with the ability to directly access the camera and perform tasks like receipt scanning and real-time object detection. The camera ISP is also getting an upgrade, with support for up to 320 megapixel sensors and improved video performance. Overall, the combination of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip and One UI 7.0 is going to make the Galaxy S25 Ultra a powerhouse of a device. Samsung Galaxy S24. Come with 4 colors, black, green, blue, and titanium gray, are also a nice touch. What are your thoughts on this? Are you excited about the prospect of a console-level gaming experience on a phone? So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe